2018 Ford Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, CD player, fog lights, trip computer, security system, compass, power windows, overhead console. Come see the car for yourself.